Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to check notification history on your Android phone. So if you have an Android phone, then there must be an option in your Android phone that you can check the notification history of any application. So for this you need to tap on settings here, and here you can see I have apps and notifications option, but in your case the notification option can be slightly different, but this should be present in your Android phone. And if I tap on this apps and notifications and then I tap on notifications here, now you can see that see all from last 7 days. So in my case I don't have the notification history option in my this Android phone, but the latest Android phones are now coming with this option here that you can check recent or some days ago histories on your Android phone. So that's how to check the notification history on your Android phone. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.